नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप सभी का खास मुलाकात में। और आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं द फेमस मैनेजमेंट गुरु पीएस राठौर जी। सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू मैम।
सर, यू बीन अवॉर्डेड एंड सर्टिफाइड एज द बेस्ट इंटरनेशनल फायर वॉक ट्रेनर एंड मोटिवेशनल गुरु 2014 बाय द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट लंदन। सर, टेल आवर व्यूअर्स अबाउट इट।
सुनीता मैम, ये जो अवार्ड है ये ऑनर्ड है। बेसिकली दिया जाता है द पीपल हु इंक्लूड द स्पिरिचुअलिज्म्स इन द ट्रेनिंग and especially in the leadership training. So what I do, in fact, I really include the knowledge of our Vedas, our Vedantas, our Shiva Sutras, and what our sage has spoken about this is. So this is what I include in my training programs. You will surprised to know even today the Western people look India not for like the technology, not look for something else. They look for the spiritualisms, like what is spirituality, the peace, the mental peace, the energy, the body, and something like that. And they noticed this, that I'm including this in my seminar, I'm injecting in the youth, and they're using in their life, this for shaping their destiny. And that's what exactly I was awarded. It's all good, credit goes to Almighty God. I personally believe what I do, the thousands of the people do. Why they chose me? Probably because I was lucky enough and was a God. I always believe it was a God creations, and God always give you something. I believe in the karmas also, the previous life. So this is all exactly I got. I was also surprised why people chose me, in fact, because.
सर, ये तो आपने बताया कि जो इसमें आप इंक्लूड करते हैं, जो काम करवाते हैं, पर इसका रिजल्ट क्या है? क्या ये कंडीशनिंग ऑफ माइंड से पॉसिबल है? क्योंकि फायर वॉक इन इटसेल्फ, इफ आई फील just sitting and thinking about fire walk, I would feel it would burn my feet. So how do you take that element of fear out of what you
सुनीता मैम, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा। एक चीज़ होते हैं जो आप नॉर्मल थिंकिंग लेते हैं, you take on the per se. The another thing is that again I'll go into the core of the Hindu mythology. Hindu mythology is far beyond that what a normal people can think. Like in Firewalk also was a part of a Hindu mythology. If you remember earlier also, Sita Mata has to also gone through the fire. And not only this, in fact, even if you could have seen, and I go in the deep-rooted history of India.
Sir, I would like to interrupt you here. Yeah. See, mythology, when we talk, mythology में जो participants हैं, वो they are almighty God. But here you are training individuals like us. You, I, and ordinary people. Mass. So there is a difference. So how do you condition people to walk on fire? You have to take out that element of fear out of them.
Even, see, ma'am, I'll tell you, even today, the youngsters believe in the Hindu mythology. Let me tell you, I'm using the word Hindu mythology knowingly, in fact. Youngster, very young people. I take them in trance. And in the journey of trance, I make them aware of that. Look, baby, if you really want to do something, achieve something, or to give something like this.
So, does it mean that you, it's like a hypnosis?
Hypnosis, again, in India, in fact, sorry to say you, but you guys like from the media, in fact, they take hypnosis in a different way. Halaki Western people always use this as a tools in medical terminology. So instead of using hypnosis, I use the journey of trance, what the Shiva trance way. You must have seen the Nataraja mudra, when the Shiva happened to be the huge energy used to the Nataraja mudras, in fact. So of course I use a lot of music, a lot of trance, and again I'll tell you again and again, I use like what's there deep rooted in Indian epic, in fact, in our Gita, our Vedanta, our Shiva Sutras, in fact Shiva Purana, even a Vishnu Purana. In fact, when I'm talking on the camera, you guys must be finding like that I'm talking about something spiritualism. In India, it's a big problem is this. Spiritualism here means knowing your body, your energy, knowing about exactly who you are, why are you here in this world. That's what exactly we talk, and we make them aware about that. No fear should can stop you if you have real will from your, and even if it comes like walking on the fire, you have to do it. And ma'am, I'll tell you, Sunita ma'am, Earlier people always say, recently I did for a couple of the school teachers, in fact, they were saying, no, my husband and say, you do not walk on the fire and something like that. And you know what happened like this is, can I go second time? Because I'm feeling something I never felt before. It's energy. Life is all about the energy. Life is not even the thoughts, it's the energy. And the moment you're feeling energy, you know, life become awesome. And you feel, oh my God, this is the things really I want to do it. So I motivate the people. I can't say the motivate. I tell people, look, if you really want the result, you have to take pain. You want to go to the heaven. In fact, you have to die. That's what I tell the masses I give. So that's what something about. And again, I'm telling you again and again, the way of winning this life is not in like you're an IIM or your IIT. It's like how deeply you're connected to you. And the way to connect to yourself is in fact bedded inside our Vedanta.
So you also teach people about communication skills. So tell us why the communication skills development is important in the personality development of individual.
Sunita ma'am, ये $1 billion question आपने पूछा है. Communication doesn't mean the shaking hand or knowing about the yes or knowing about the no, or communication doesn't mean like that saying thank you and something like that. Communication is the quality of the life is the quality of the communications, and the communication is the inside out. And here I'll tell you briefly, in fact, regarding these communications, if you go into the Manu Smriti written by Rishi Manu, and he talks about that, माँ के पेट में बच्चा सबसे पहले अपने माँ से कम्युनिकेट करना सीखता है. इट मीन्स दैट जो ब्रीदिंग है, बच्चे का ब्रीदिंग माँ के ब्रीदिंग से मैच करता है तो बच्चा जिंदा रहता है. Most important, in fact, in India, the people talks about the communications where मुरेर पे कौवा आता है तो समझ में आ जाता है कि वो good news लेके आया या bad news लेके आया. Right. So here the Veda speaks about, the Siva Sutra speaks about the communication system like non-verbal communications. Non-verbal communications means what? Untold is more important than told. That's what I say. My communication pattern is not like that. You should listen, effective listening, all these things. Okay, fine, that's a byproduct. The main product is written by the Rishi Manu. The Rishi Manu happened to be like the father of in fact, father-in-law of the Prajapati.
Yes.
In fact, you must have knowing about that the Dadichi way of leading life, and all this includes all these parts. So here exactly the communication, here I talk about the non-verbal communications, how your body communicate, how your breath communicate, how your eyes communicate, how your nose communicate, how your lips communicate, how your cheeks communicate, how exactly the ear ball communicates. And when you're talking to your mother, your father, your teacher, your peer groups, your senior, your junior, whatever might be, in fact, if you can understand the person without being told, that's a key to the relationship. That's what. So I always say the life of quality of the life is the quality of communications.
Sir, what is this 5-day MBA program or something which has been developed recently? 5-day MBA program?
See, there are many MBA programs like 5 days, 3 days, and I personally believe they more talk on the practicability rather than the theory. Like even for the IIM go, or you've got so much MBA colleges, you go the 2 years, 3-year degrees. In fact, this 5 days or 2 days or 3 days, the programs are coming. In fact, they more focus on the practicability of understanding the human behavior of the workforce and strategizing the things exactly like आप कितना उसको strategize कर सकते हो. That's what I believe. This is good. Why this is good? I believe in 5 days work MBA program, because कई बार क्या होता है मैम, जब हम 12th में पास करते हैं तो हमारा बहुत सारा परसेंटेज नहीं होता, एंड अगर हम पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट के बाद एग्जाम भी देते हैं तो हमारा परसेंटाइल 97, 98, 99% नहीं होता. सो वी मिस आवर MBA colleges. This kind of the programs always give you the feel of that your MBA in 5 days.
So it is not MBA you are going to make a person, you're going to give a feel of MBA.
Feel of MBA and practical knowledge of the MBA. See, I'm a professional strategist, right? I meet so many people in the strategy formulation. There are many corporate giants for whom I formulate this strategy. And I know, in fact, there are the people who are not MBA by qualifications, but their knowledge is far, far more superior and practical in terms of the execution mastery. So for those people doing this, it really give a feeling, oh, okay, I'm also MBA. So that's what a feeling I talk about. So that's why I find it's good.
सर, और एक जो क्वेश्चन बहुत ही हटके हम आ जाते हैं कि आज जो हमारी मोदी गवर्नमेंट है, what do you think about the policies of the Modi government, especially the Make in India policy? Do you think it is going to help our country?
Sunita ma'am, here being a strategist, professional strategist, my thought might differ, in fact, from the masses. Strategy is not a tricks. स्ट्रैटेजिक जादू की छड़ी नहीं है, ये दुर्गामी परिणाम है। सिकंदर को भी हिंदुस्तान को जीतना था तो कई साल उसको लग गए थे प्लानिंग में। हमारे हिंदुस्तान में एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है आम जनता। आम जनता जो सरकार चुनती है उनको एक दायित्व को संभालना पड़ेगा, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को संभालना पड़ेगा, उत्तरदायित्व को संभालना पड़ेगा, अकाउंटेबिलिटी लेना पड़ेगा। बदलाव, चेंज एक जादू का छड़ी नहीं है कि एक मोमेंट में चेंज हो जाएगा। इट टेक्स टाइम्स and this process, this policy will always take, the process, the strategy will always take time. I personally believe this has an invisible result right now which will be visible after some times. Coming about the Make in India is a new, not a new concept. You know, before independence, Mr. Gandhi always has thrown in coin that made it India in terms of the khadi, right? And that's really a fantastic coin has been thrown. Result always take, even baby takes nine months, you know, like if the baby comes in 4 months, 5 months is a dead baby, right? Right, that exactly. हम अगर चाहेंगे कि 4 महीना में बेबी हो जाए तो mother will be on the risk, right? So if you want a result like that कि just आपने coin किया और result आ जाए तो India will be in the risk. I personally believe it. This is my way of thinking. Might be different. Other people might not match about this. So like if you go to US, you go to Germany, you go to any big mall like Mesa and all these things, you will find that made in Bangladesh cloth is there, made in Indonesia cloth is there, but made in India nothing you will get. आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. Why? Because अभी तक हम रोटी कपड़ा मकान पे सर्वाइवल में फ्री में चीज़ें मिल जाएं, हम उसके लिए ज़िंदा रहते हैं। एक बड़ी थॉट की प्रोसेस बात है कि यूएस में कई लोग जिनको नौकरी नहीं मिलती, सोशल सिक्योरिटी पे सैलरी मिलता है, बट दे फील सेम्ड ऑफ टेकिंग फ्री, नो दे फाइंड दैट माय लाइफ इज़ हेल इफ आई एम टेकिंग समथिंग फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। बट इंडिया इनफैक्ट सरकारें प्याज पे बदलती हैं, सरकारें फ्री वाईफाई पे बन जाती हैं। दैट्स व्हाट द पीपल डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि हमें अपनी नीड पूरी करनी है या देश की। In fact, ma'am, I'll tell you here the point is that policy is very powerful. It needs communicated to the lower level people. In fact, lower level means I'm not talking about I'm talking about here is since that people who go to vote, the people who go to cast vote. Like if you take me, in fact, there even there's elections day. And if I am not in India, I'll not cast my vote because but the people who are there who always be there to cast the vote. And they have to be responsible enough to see दुर्गामी परिणाम। जो चीज़ें दूर की निकलती हैं वो अच्छी निकलती हैं। बच्चे को भी बड़ा होने में टाइम लगता है, पॉलिसी को मैच्योर होने में टाइम लगता है। आप फिक्स डिपॉजिट कराते हैं तो लंबा दूरी का कराते हैं क्योंकि आपको अच्छा इंटरेस्ट मिले, लेकिन आप देश की बदलाव चाहते हैं कि 9 महीना के पहले आ जाओ, 2 दिन के पहले आ जाए, ये ज़्यादती है। ये एज ए स्ट्रैटेजिक फॉर्म में बोलता हूँ। हिंदुस्तान को बदलना है तो पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा, मेक इन इंडिया में विश्वास करना पड़ेगा। चीज़ें हो रही हैं। आई डोंट बिलोंग टू एनी पार्टी, not at all. In fact, I'll tell you very frankly here, but I belong to India. India is my nations. I travel a lot abroad, बहुत ज़्यादा, और जब वहाँ जाते हैं तो आँखें खुली जाती हैं। आप सरप्राइज रहेंगे मैम, even the Bangkok, which was far behind than us in terms of even values. About just a month back, I was in Bangkok for doing a program for a company, and I found what a change. रोड इतने क्लीन है बैंकॉक में, आप सोच सकते हैं वहाँ पे, because people have taken the ownership. Here some people take ना ये फेल हो गया, वो फेल हो गया, ऐसे फेल गया. Anything is good for the country. As a big leader, I always believe that good thing is mine, not all thing is mine should be the good.
सर, आपकी नॉलेज को थोड़ा सा हम ऐड करें अगर कि अभी सिर्फ ऐसा बाहर के देशों में नहीं, हमारे देश में भी जो चीज़ देश के लिए अच्छी है, हमारे जनता भी उसमें सहयोग करती है। जैसे कि अभी केजरीवाल जी ने ऑड और इवन फार्मूला चलाया, तो सब लोग इससे काफ़ी खुश हैं। कुछ लोग नाराज़ हैं क्योंकि उनके पास सभी कारें ऑड या इवन की थी, और या किसी के पास सिर्फ ऑड या इवन की थी। मुश्किलें आईं पर सबने 15 दिन इसको बर्दाश्त किया, उनका सहयोग किया। तो ऐसा नहीं है, हमारे देश की कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स भी हैं, जैसे कि बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है पॉपुलेशन, जिसकी वजह से जो भी कुछ यहाँ पे किया जाता है वो नज़र नहीं आता, क्योंकि वो इट ट्रिकल्स डाउन इनटू अमंग सो मैनी पीपल। इसलिए शायद, पर आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है कि हमें ये देखना नहीं चाहिए कि हमें क्या मिल सकता है देश से, what we can contribute to the country.
Here again I'll tell you just one line, ma'am. इंडिया में एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? We don't support policy, we support person. If I support Modi, so कुछ भी होगा अच्छा है. If I support Kejriwal, कुछ भी होगा तो अच्छा होगा.
Because we are dealing with not only people like you and me. We are talking about uneducated masses.
Exactly.
They need a figure.
They need a figure.
They need a figure to communicate to relate to.
Yes.
So what you are saying is absolutely correct. That people here do idealize. Yes.
Do idealize the person in fact. Even in odd and even I can tell you very. आपको दिखता होगा रोड खाली है. It's only because most of the time आप हमें नहीं पता कि कई लोग तो 2000 was a good amount in fact. Even for me अगर 2 दिन चलान कर जाए तो मैं ये सोचूंगा यार छोड़ो टैक्सी ले लेता हूँ, क्या करना. Because even Sheila Dikshit, I'll tell you, जब उन्होंने people say Delhi is a gas chamber. मैंने 15 साल भी दिल्ली देखे हैं, 15 साल पहले भी दिल्ली देखे हैं, बहुत changes हैं. When Sheila Dikshit introduced like CNG in the buses, in fact, a lot of hue and cry. आप लोग media like what they saw, in fact, they say कि जो लोग देखना चाहते हैं, चाबी आपके हाथ में, लोगों के हाथ में नहीं है, but media has given the key to the people in fact, and they so वो देखना ये चाहते हैं. There should be a planning behind it, with strategy. Not एक fine morning में उठ रहा हूँ और event चलेगा, चला दिया जी. Now what about the people suffering from? I'm talking about the policy. That's what exactly. Modi is not talking about the action, talking about the policy, talking about the strategy, because you can't make a popular statement. You know, I say a leader, a real leader, will not look for the popularitisms. You know. The real leader, like I'll tell you, like the person who changed Singapore, the person who completely changed Singapore. And in fact, at that time, when I remember that, media was not also allowed to speak. And what Singapore today, we go almost every 6 months, we have programs there. You will find even the dust is not on the street. Again, of course, I agree, population is the key.
It's a very big problem. बने रहिए खास मुलाकात में. Sir, how can a professional create value in an organization?
That's there's a question linked with the strategy. जो real professionalisms होते हैं, here rare professionalism means जो यहाँ values का मतलब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैं differentiate करूँगा corporate world के संदर्भ में, कि यहाँ values का मतलब है कि जो आप काम करते हैं, क्या आपने according to planning किया, क्या according to the need आपने किया. अगर आप हर एक्टिविटीज़ पे हर वर्कफोर्स उसमें अपने रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यू ऐड करते रहे, तो जो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यू होगा वो वैल्यू और सम टोटल ऑफ ऑल वैल्यूज होगा. सो एक प्रोफेशनल इंसान जब करता है जिसके पास नॉलेज है, हियर द प्रोफेशनल मीन्स द पर्सन हु हैज अ नॉलेज अबाउट द थिंग्स, सो एक्जैक्टली व्हाट ही एड्स द वैल्यूज, देन फाइनल प्रोडक्ट विल बी वैल्यूएबल. So here the point is what I talk about this, my definition of professionalism is, do you know your work or don't know your work? I ask the question about that, who you are, what is your existence? The existence is not like my name is Rathore, I'm a management guru. My existence is what I do and how do I do, for whom I do. So here exactly define the professionalisms. So I believe हर इंसान अगर अपने काम को जानता है और उसके अंजाम को जानता है, अपने कस्टमर को जानता है, उसके सेटिस्फेक्शन को जानता है, उसके नीड को जानता है और उसको अगर एग्जीक्यूट करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, यू नो, ट्रस्ट मी, यू कैन चेंज द होल वर्ल्ड. यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन व्हाट्सएप, the people, the group of the 50 people created a company which really took over the entire world. The point is like the people are professionals. Like the professional might doesn't mean that you have a degree like a chartered accountant, cost accountant, MBA or whatever that might be. My meaning of the professional is, apart from the degree, are you really committed for your work? Do you really work for your work? Are you really, do you know about the step by step what exactly need you are going to do? Do you know what is the final value you are going to create? You know who your final customer and what benefit are they looking for? That's what exactly my mean. So if I think that in an organization, if every individual know their work and execute accordingly, in fact, the final product will be with the huge values and the company can make significant difference in the life of the people by life. That's my way of thinking about the value chain. I'm not connecting and trying to connect with the Michael Porter value chain or the value chain analysis in terms of the corporate world. I'm talking about a very simple point. In fact, the person who is holding camera here, and he understands कि मेरे को क्या करना है, and time and saying, come on boss, look at here. That's what exactly reminding in the professionalisms. So that professionalism means आप कितने पेशेवर हैं अपने काम में, अपने काम को कितना पेशा समझते हैं, आप कितना अच्छी तरह से लेके चलते हैं, ये मेरा मतलब है. And it really add values.
कि हम जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसको कितनी अच्छी तरह से उसको समझते हैं और करते हैं,
समझते हैं फिर करते हैं,
समझ के करते हैं. तो वही वैल्यू है, वही वैल्यू जो हम अपने आप में भी क्रिएट करते हैं और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में.
That's a $1 billion conclusion you have done. अपने आप में भी and profession में भी, वो दोनों. Because you get contented. Trust me, the moment what you think and what you do, you know, you don't look for the appreciation from your senior. You appreciate yourself. You connect with the cosmic energy. Second, I'll tell you with the spiritualism, you connect with the cosmic energy and you find, wow, I've done my work. And that's what exactly I believe the result of professionalism.
So you're also an author of a number of books. Your bestseller, I think, is Discover the Power Within.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you please tell us about your writing capabilities. How did you get inspired to write? And what do you think, what all you would like to write about? What do you think you should be writing, and what do you want to communicate? Tell us about your writing.
Ma'am, again, I belong to the accounting profession. In fact, I was professional financial management that time in Institute of Chartered Accountancy. This book particularly contains, again, the Indian epic, the sages of India. Including Rishi Markandeya, or you're talking about even the Daksha Sanhita and the Siva Sutras, and what exactly the Indian Guru speaks. This is more about understanding India and solving your current problems. Like India has a lot of problem now, the depression. The question is why depression is happening in India is only because हम लोगों ने अपने Indian values को जीना छोड़ दिया. और जब हम इंडियन, एक छोटी सी चीज़ होती है, इस बुक में काफ़ी विस्तार में मैंने लिखा है और शिवा सूत्र में बात लिखी हुई है. आज से 15 साल पहले की अगर बात करें, जैसे हम अपनी बात करें, मेरी बुआ जब अपने मायके आती थी ससुराल से, तो मेरी माँ उनसे भेंट करती थी और मेरी ताई भी भेंट करती थी और साथ में मेरे चाची भी भेंट करती थी. गांव एक ही जगह हुआ करता था, तो अगर 20 घर हैं तो 20 के घर एक ही ब्लड से निकला हुआ, एक ही ट्रेस से सारे. ट्रस्ट में जो भेंट करने की प्रथा होती थी उसमें क्या होता था कि हार्ट से हार्ट मिलता था बुआ और माँ का, दिल से दिल मिल गया. जब उनकी टोन होती थी, एक पर्टिकुलर टोन पे रोते थे और 3 टाइम कंधे पे ही उसका कनेक्शन होता था, तो वहाँ से दिमाग मिलता था. और जब माँ साइड हटती थी तो अपने आंचल से बुआ की आंसू पोंछती थी और बुआ आंचल से. एंड ट्रस्ट मी मैम, बुआ 3 महीना रह के जाती थी. पूरे खानदान में उनके अपॉइंटमेंट होते थे कि किसका खाना किसके पास बनेगा. आज आप लोगों के पास पैसा है, हम लोगों के पास पैसा है, बड़ा घर है, बड़ी सारी गाड़ियां हैं, बट बुआ अगर 10 दिन के लिए भी आ जाए तो पहला सवाल पूछा जाता है कि आगे का प्लान क्या है. That's what the Hindu values I have written in this book. I'm talking about the Hindutva, not in terms of the communism and the religions. I'm talking about the Indianisms, like that how हम लोगों ने, हमारी संस्कृति ने वर्ल्ड को सिखाया है. और आज सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत है क्या
आज
है,
हम उसे खुद ही भूल रहे हैं.
भूल गए क्या, हमें रीपैकेज में बेचा जाता है तो हम उसे खरीदते हैं. हम ये कहते हैं उस पर संशोधन हुआ. आज विवेकानंद की एक छोटी सी किताब है राजयोग, आप पढ़ के देखें, 35 रुपए में धक्के खाता है. बट आप कनॉट प्लेस के गलियों में चले जाके देखें, फॉरेन ऑथर के सारे नेम एंड नेम. People feel proud. I have read this book, the Michael Cycle. If they added, you find you're a big reader, in fact. So this book contains about the Indian mythology. Again, I'm talking about what our guru teaches and all these things. I'm not a guru. You can see me, in fact. I don't believe like in guru and something like that. But I'll tell you, we cannot forget the contribution of these gurus, what exactly they have done. I think they, in spite of facing a lot of problems, they have kept intact the Indian values in the mass, in fact. So this is what the book is containing about this.
तो आपकी राइटिंग में जो हमारे कल्चर में ऑलरेडी इनेप्टेड हैं जो सारी चीज़ें, उन सब पे जो है जोर देने की बात है.
मैं उसको मैं जिंदा करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. मैम हियर आपने बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा और मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, मैं आपको बहुत बड़ा जिंदगी भर आभारी रहूँगा. मेरी एक दूसरी किताब आ रही है, शिवा सूत्रा एंड स्ट्रैटेजिक मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस, कंप्लीट लीडरशिप बुक. इसमें एक एक चीज़ आएगा. शिवा, हाउ इज अ बेटर लीडर. ट्रस्ट मी, Indra had only point like that मेरी गद्दी बची रहे, मैं राजा रहूं, मैं इंद्रदेव रहूं, मैं but Shiva no, she was a leader कि अगर असुर ने पूजा किया पुरानी गलती को माफ करके उसको भी वरदान मिलेगा, और जो देवताओं ने किया तो उनको भी वरदान मिलेगा। हमारे साथ कॉर्पोरेट में क्या होता है, माता कंसेप्ट, मेरा आदमी तेरा आदमी, इसका ध्यान रखना, मैं तेरे आदमी के ध्यान रखूंगा, ए बेसिक कंसेप्ट, पहला अपना काम फिर बाजू वाला का काम, टाइम बच गया तो कंपनी का काम। Shiva never believed in this. Shiva told Sati, I don't belong to you, I belong to whom? The whole universe. And Shiva developed Parvati to be his wife. So we need to develop leader, you know. That's what exactly. It's not me everything. It's not mine everything. It's everything is good is mine. That's what the Shiva speaks. जहाँ इंद्र को अपनी गद्दी की चिंता होती थी, वहाँ पे शिवा को सृष्टि की चिंता होती थी. In fact, this book is containing about the leadership process, and we are how what even the Western could never think today. Our Vedic mathematics was thinking, or Vedanta was thinking, and something great. So that's my next book is carrying on.
हमारे दर्शकों की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, वो आपकी बुक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहे।
Thank you, I need it, ma'am.
और हमारे शो में आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am.